Struggling with a spinning pulley? Try this hack.
I am working on this mower to stop the spinning.
Just wrap the belt tight for tension. It works great. Use your impact or a 5/8 socket to get them out of. Clear the debris and slide that old pulley right off the shaft. Always check the internal gears. This one is pretty dusty. Now for new parts. Put the belt back and seat it properly. Seat the cooling fan perfectly so it doesn't hit the radiator. Spin the nut back on and snug it up. We are done.
This lawnmower has this nut right here. I gotta take off to place the fan. So here's the new fan. I've seen this is a new fan. Old ones screwed up. So in order to release this nut, this pulley is gonna spin. So there are two recommendations. Is either to get a strap wrench like you use on a oil filter, or an old belt to bind this to stop it from spinning, and then use an impact. So let me hook it up and then let's go. So to stop this pulley from spinning, so you wrap the belt around it. I'm going to use some tension to hold it while I break the see, it held it. Impact. Got the nut off. Now I'm just going to replace it. So this is a 3/4 nut. Some have a split ring. This one didn't. This is YT-3000. So in order to stop the pulley from spinning, I took an old belt and wrap it in a figure 8. Here is one end of it, and here's the other end. So you wrap in the figure 8, that in here, and then you just make it long enough, hold on both sides of the belt, and create the tension to stop the pulley from spinning. That's how you remove the whatever left of the oil fan, but that's how you remove the 5/8 nut. And you just gotta inspect. There's a new fan, but I'm going to go ahead and put the belt on. Start the new fan. That's where you put the belt on. And if you don't, the new fan is going to create an issue. Put your nut back on. New fan is on.
It is crazy how one tiny nut can stop your whole lawnmower. This nut right here is the only thing standing between me and a new fan. I finally got the replacement. It is clean, fresh, and ready to be installed. But first, I have to deal with all this grease and grime under here. Time to get hands-on. It takes some serious pressure to keep this pulley from spinning.